Name
Name
two animals
two animals
that eat
that eat
each of the
each of the
following:
following:
grass,
grass,
cows,
cows,
goats.
goat,
Flesh of animal, flesh of animal.
tiger, lion.
Yes. Insects, mosquito, ant or frog. Okay. Grains,
Grain,
sparrow,
sparrow,
pigeon.
pigeon.